Here are some brand new, fascinating facts for you. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep to avoid drifting apart. This behavior, called rafting, keeps them together in groups and helps ensure their safety in the water. Bananas glow blue under black light. When they start to ripen, the breakdown of chlorophyll in bananas produces a fluorescent effect visible under UV light. The world's largest desert is actually Antarctica. Despite the ice and cold, Antarctica is classified as a desert because it receives very little precipitation. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and check out my other videos for more cool content.